fluffy, golden donuts, perfectly crisp on the outside and melt in your mouth inside. Let me show you how to make these at home. Let's start by activating the yeast. We'll need 2 packs of dry yeast, a teaspoon of sugar, and 240 milliliters of milk, or 1 cup. The milk should be warm, but not too hot, as this will kill the yeast. Mix all the ingredients and let them sit for about 10 minutes in a warm place. After 10 minutes, you should see the yeast foam up. In a large bowl, add 540 grams of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, ,50 grams of sugar, and give them a good mix. Activated yeast, two room temperature eggs, and 85 grams of melted butter. You can use a mixer with a hook attachment, but it doesn't take too long, so I just mix by hand. At first with a wooden spoon. And after it becomes too difficult to mix with the spoon, I knead the dough by hand on the countertop. When the dough is smooth and only slightly sticky, you can stop. Put it back in the bowl, cover it with a clean tea towel, and let it rest for about an hour in a warm place. After an hour has passed, your dough should be at least double in size. Punch it to deflate, and let's start shaping the donuts. If you want them to look like the ones you buy in a store, roll the dough in a thin sheet, a centimeter or about ½ inch thick, and cut the donuts with a round cutter. I like to make mine look like they are homemade, so I divide the dough in balls weighing around 60 grams. Take each ball of dough, flatten it slightly with your fingers, and cut the hole with a circular cutter. I don't have a circular cutter that small, so I used the cap from an oil spray bottle. shaped and cut all the donuts, cover them with the tea towel, and let them rest for another 40 minutes. You'll need about 5 centimeters or 2 inches of oil on a medium-high heat. I used the level 7 out of 9, but your stove may be different. While we wait for the oil to get to temperature, we can make the glaze. I mixed 250 grams of powdered sugar with about 60 milliliters of milk. You can also see in the video a chocolate glaze that I was experimenting with, but it needs some more work, so I will not share that with you. For the moment, the sugar glaze is the way to go. Add the donuts one by one. They fry relatively fast and you don't want to burn them. As you can see, they are not the perfect store-bought shape, but I like them with a little bit of character. They are delicious either way. I like to add the glaze while they are still warm, but be careful and allow them to cool a little bit. You don't want to burn yourself with the ones you just removed from the oil. This is it, a simple recipe with very simple ingredients and a delicious result. Tell me in the comments if you gave it a try. See you next time!